Hey there guys, Ryan from Mike Thompson's RV in Colton. Here today I'm going to showcase one of our most popular couples coaches. This is the Grand Design Imagine XLS 23LDE, coming in at just under 7,000 pounds fully loaded and under 28 feet. This is the perfect half-ton towable coach for couples looking to go camping. All of your Grand Design Imagine, XLS, and full profile Imagines are going to come with ABS brakes, already prepped and included with a tire pressure monitor system. Also, if you see, it's got an upgraded suspension system. So if you plan on taking it across country or doing some longer extended trips, you're going to be more than comfortable going down the road. You've got an awesome spray port here. So if you want to hose your feet off after you've gone on your hike, you're not going to be tracking any dirt inside the coach with you. Another awesome feature you can see right here is you can leave your muddy shoes right by the door. You're not going to track all that into the interior of the coach. You've got a beautiful awning. It's going to extend out 8 feet, and you've also got a nice LED strip under there to illuminate the campground if you guys are hanging out outside. You have a full-size pass-through storage with magnet latches. That's not going to come smack you on the top of the dome when you're trying to load things in there. They've also gone with a new, somewhat diamond-plated coating on the storage bay. So it's going to be able to take a beating if you guys are loading anything. It's not going to damage any of the exterior floor. Coming around the front side, you've got a power tongue jack. It's going to enable you to lift your trailer up without having to hand crank and stand there for 20 minutes in the heat trying to get your coach level. We've got a beautiful convenience center here. You've got your battery and solar disconnect here in this one spot. You've also got an upgraded charge controller, meaning that this 165 watt solar system is easily expandable. You can add up to one additional panel up there without having to add any additional wiring or doing anything. It's all plug and play. They made it quite easy for you guys. Stepping into the interior of the coach, the first thing you see is a control panel right here. All of the Grand Design Imagines and anything above that is going to come with Compass Connect, meaning you can control all of your slides, lights, awnings just from the app on your phone. They made it really easy. The best thing I love about this coach is all of the prep and counter space. This is technically a rear kitchen model, but for a lot of your couples coaches, the number one gripe I get is there's not enough counter space, enough prep space. For those of you that like to cook quite a bit while you guys are camping, you've got plenty of prep space here. Another feature that I love is this fridge. I can't say enough good things about this fridge. This is a new 12-volt system that they started, I want to say about 2.5 years ago. This is going to be the way of the future. These cool down in about 2 hours. They're not affected by the temperature outside, and they are strictly on electric. So if you take a look on the inside here, there's no condenser. So you get almost twice the room you would have in a normal propane electric fridge. I've got beautiful recliners here. Thomas Paine interior. Plenty of space to hang out and enjoy the game. They do come standard with a Roku TV. So it's got all of your streaming services already loaded on there. As soon as you guys get set up in the campground, you can connect to the Wi-Fi on the campground, or you guys can connect to the hotspot on your phone. For those of you that have pets, notice there are no heat registers in the floor. So you get that poof of dirt or dog hair with any of the floor registers. That's not something you're going to find in Grand Design coaches. All of your heat ducting is hidden. Now you may be asking me, where are my friends going to sleep? I have kids, I have grandkids. Well, they give you a second option here. The dinette here does turn into a bed. Now, full disclosure, this is geared more towards kids, smaller people. So if you have friends that want to go camping with you and they're a little bit bigger, they ask, hey, can I camp inside your coach? You tell them no, get a pitch of tent outside. Check out the room in this bathroom. You might be saying, Ryan, my wife has IBS. We've got to use the bathroom. We need quick access to it. She needs plenty of leg room after taco night. No need to worry. Grand Design's got you covered. And it is a porcelain toilet, so you can use all of your household cleaning supplies to keep this toilet clean. You're not going to have to buy any special cleaning products or anything like that. You got a beautiful medicine cabinet here. Plenty of storage. If you want to throw even some towels in there, you have plenty of room to do so. Now for my taller guys out there, the number one thing I get is, how am I going to fit in the shower? I'm about 5'10". I've got plenty of headroom clearance here, and let's be honest, you guys are spending hopefully no more than 5 minutes in the shower. You've got a full walk-around bed, and for those of you who need to get access to the bathroom while you're still on the road, there is an access door here, so you can still get to the bathroom with that slide all the way in. Grand Design also has USB plugs and GFI outlets right there for those of you who want to charge your phone, or if you need a CPAP machine while you sleep, you're not going to pass away in the middle of the night. We've got some beautiful overhead storage bins here and some hanging room. They've got hooks there if you guys want to bring your full wardrobe of clothes. You've got more than enough room to do so. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Again, this is a brand new 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 23LDE. If you guys would like to check out this floor plan or anything else you guys see on our website, feel free to call and ask for Ryan.